I'm Tom Wirt with the Clay Coyote Pottery, and today we're going to make some soup bowls. And these are a handled soup bowl. It starts out with just a small ball of clay. When we make pots, each ball of clay is weighed out. These are 1.5 pounds apiece, and by weighing them out, we can get the pot so that each pot is about the same volume. Now I try to get the base at the same diameter for each piece. Open it up. Now one of the things to always remember, and you'll see this in some of the other videos, is the actual act of throwing a pot, which is what I'm doing now, is the shortest part of the whole process. Making pottery on the wheel is probably, including some of the automated methods, the fastest way to make a pot. Now what I do, I've thrown the pot, I make these little gauges sink down in, that's the depth and the width, so that gets each pot fairly close. And what I do in making things like these soups that usually go in sets is I will make a whole bunch of them, and then later in the process we'll divide them out so the ones that look the most alike, and then that'll become a set. Now remember that what I'm throwing here right now will shrink by almost 50% in volume by the time it's done. So while it looks way too big to be a soup bowl at the present time, by the time it gets done, it's going to be half in volume of what this is. So that's the first stage. We've got one soup bowl. As it dries part way, I'll put a handle on the side of it and trim the foot off so that it's cleaner, and that'll become a soup bowl.